The house we'd like to share today is in the region of Veneto, which is where we've been finding a lot of amazing homes lately. This one is about a little over an hour from Venice, or the popular seaside resort town of Ravenna on the Adriatic coast. This bright, beautiful 19th century villa has 400 square metres of living space and is in a very nice move-in ready condition. It's divided into two separate living areas, one on the ground floor and one on the second floor, with an unfinished attic on the top floor. Each floor has a kitchen, living room, bathroom, and 4 bedrooms, with a total of 8 bedrooms if the 2 living spaces are combined. There's also a 2-storey outbuilding which is currently being used as a 4-car garage. It could be transformed into a very spacious workshop or studio. This home is surrounded by half an acre of garden in a beautiful countryside setting and would make a wonderful family retreat. It's on the market for just €79,000. You can find a link to the realtor's original listing and contact information in the video notes below, along with how to receive many more homes like this in your inbox every week. Thanks for watching, sharing, liking, and subscribing. We really appreciate your support and helping to make this project possible.